Hi everyone, today this video is going to show you how to use the tool Kami Split and Merge. The purpose of this tool is so that you can combine and separate PDFs that you use in your lessons or during your appointments. So how to start this process is first you're going to either use existing PDFs that you have or download new ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download a PDF that I'm going to turn into an exit ticket that I would use after an adjective mini lesson that was taught during my writing block. So the first place that I love to go to find PDFs, worksheets would be Super Teacher Worksheets. If you don't already have our login information, Manville does have an account that provides you access to all these great resources. So what I'm going to go to is on left-hand side, it has your subject or content areas. I selected the grammar adjectives, and now I'm going to look for a worksheet that I would like to add, and I'm going to do the adding adjectives worksheet. So with Super Teacher Worksheets, it gives you the worksheet itself, and then the following page is the answer key. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the download icon, and I'm going to download it to my downloads. Then it's going to pop up on the bar below. Then I'm going to click my other tab, my Google Drive, and then I'm going to drag and drop. As you can see, I already have some PDFs formed that I selected alien adjectives, and then adding them. Now I'm going to use the Kami Split and Merge tool to combine these worksheets and to take away the answer keys. So I have a new exit ticket for my students. So I'm going to first just click one of the PDFs, and then I'm going to select the drop down, and I'm going to open it with Kami Split and Merge. The nice thing with this tool is you can upload PDFs from your Google Drive, or you can also upload them from my computer. But I'm going to upload them from my Google Drive. So I'm going to go to my Google Drive again, and then I'm going to select the adjectives. I might have selected two of the same, which I did. That's all right. So I need this one. All right. So here are all three of the worksheets that I want to put towards creating the exit ticket. You'll select next. And then in here, my first step is I'm going to delete the answer keys because these are not what I'm looking for. And I want to keep it to 3 pages. I think 4 would be too much for my students. And then I'm going to merge them together by dragging them. And then I'm going to switch the order. First, I'm just going to have it with adjectives, then alien adjectives, and then adding them. File name, I'm going to label this as adjective exit ticket. And then I'm going to export. I'm going to export this to my Google Drive. It wants you to select a folder. So I'm going to select my writing folder and then hit continue. Lets me know that it's all done. So I'm going to go back to my drive. I'm going to go to my writing folder, and in there I should see the adjective exit ticket that I created with Kami Split and Merge. Now, all PDFs are automatically going to open up with OrbitNote. And the nice thing with OrbitNote again is that it allows you to draw and write on the PDF. So this direction does say underline the noun it describes. So when you open it with your OrbitNote, students can follow that direction by clicking the freehand draw and they can just draw on there. All right, so this is one example of how you can use the Kami Split and Merge tool. Again, a big way that I use it is when I am using PDFs that have answer keys, such as what you find in Super Teacher worksheets. It allows you to take away the answer key, and then you can post this directly to Google Classroom, and students would be able to access it the way that you intend them to. If you have any questions, need any support, or have any suggestions for future Feature Fridays, please fill out the Google form.